Welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name's Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to set a photo timer when taking a picture with the iPhone 13 Pro. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss out on any helpful iPhone 13 tutorials. And if you have the new iPhone 13, have you sold your old phone yet? Make sure you go to MrMoneyphone.com to get the best price on your old phone. Now let's get started. First, you're going to open up your camera app and then click on the arrow that's in the top middle. That's going to open up your photo settings, and then go over to the timer, and you can either select 3 seconds or 10 seconds. I'm going to use 3 seconds and try to take a photo of my cat using the timer. It'll give you a countdown, and then when it takes the photos, it actually takes 10 burst photos, and then you can hit select in the bottom and then swipe through to see all of the photos that it took. And that's how you take a timer photo using the iPhone 13 Pro.